After a rainy day, I took a noticing work at Flagstaff Garden. I often passed by it to school, but had never paid much attention to the place. However, I felt connected with the place the moment I started to observe. It was intriguing to notice the various conditions of trees and bushes, reflecting their responsiveness to the season and place. Unlike my traditional mindset where I believed plants mostly withered and trees were left with only branches, I was surprised to see green grass, leafy trees, and stunning colorful flowers in winter. I remember Pello's observation in Pedagogy for Ecology about people's familiarity with living near the place made them believe that they knew it well, while indeed my description of the creatures using categorical words instead of their specific names revealed my disconnection from the place before. I started to think about the scientific learning happening in the place. I stepped closer to one of the leafy trees. What is this tree? Why is it still leafy and green? I excitedly noticed that sticks bent upwards to the sky in a U shape at the end. It looked like they were trying to reach for more sunshine. Looking closer, there were circular rings along the stick, which seemed to have a particular pattern of spacing among them. Meanwhile, the surface of the sticks was smoother as they approached the ends, and surprisingly the leaves only grew out at the end but not along the stick. Suddenly, a great bird just landed and attempted to get things to eat from the ground. Are there things that fell off the tree that could become its food? These scientific concepts concerning this single tree extend beyond its biology, encompassing the interplay of the birds, land, sun, and the seasons in shaping a holistic biological system. Hence, the outdoor environment offers authentic scientific learning opportunities using realistic resources, fostering essential skills for children. Then I noticed a group of purple flowers in full blossom, which is an example of an outdoor environment containing mathematical concepts of numbers, space, and shapes, according to Lee. Each flower consisted of 5 petals, and 2 of them standing upright in the center, while the remaining 3 were evenly spread out and rotated beneath the 2 upright ones. Looking closer, the petals had many straight and curved lines extended from the yellow bud. These lines appeared to be approximately equally spaced from one another. I gently shook one of the petals and noticed several raindrops fell due to gravity, while others remained tightly attached to the petal. It seemed that the flower petals might possess a certain scientific attribute for raining the raindrops as well. As Ham and Boscher claimed, the environment acts as a pedagogical context zone where humans and non-humans are deeply interconnected, and learnings take place through interactions with the environment. The noticing work strengthened my understanding of this concept as I consciously acknowledged and recognized that the learning between humans and non-humans occurs in every moment. The place provides opportunities for us to conduct hands-on learning with immersive experience, such as touching the curvy sticks to investigate their growth, instead of merely consuming these scientific and mathematical concepts and ideas. Being present in the places, we are enabled to think with these concepts and ideas. At the same time, we are encouraged to be comfortable with knowing nothing and recognize the unpredictability and complexity of the learning method and outcomes.